Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a trace route and why you might want to do that even if you're not a computer science teacher or a networking teacher. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to do this. So I'm working on a Windows computer, and in Windows, there's an easy way to do this. Just open up your command terminal. If you're not sure how to do that, just go down to your start menu, search, and just type in CMD. You'll find your command prompt right there. And let's make that a little larger. And now I'm going to type in Traceroute and then the destination, the thing that I want to trace route to. Let's say google.com. Just hit enter, and now it's going to show me all the connections between my computer and google.com. In this case, there's going to be about 10 hops. I've done this one 3 times before I recorded this video, so I know that. In some cases, you might have a lot more hops, and in some rare cases, you'll have fewer hops than what I have as well. Let's go ahead and see all of these little hops. Now, some of these, you could have your students go ahead and copy these addresses and try to do a search for them, or try to put them into their browser address bar. And others, they may not find publicly at all. But if you want your students to see where in the world their traffic is going to and coming from, you can use a tool like this one here at gsuite.tools/traceroute, and this will show students visually where the traffic is going to and coming from. Now, this tool, gsuite.tools/traceroute, it is not a Google tool. This is just a clever bit of SEO by the developer of this tool. But all your students need to do is type in trace. It will trace all the hops and display them on a map. Now, your students, of course, can zoom in. We'll see that there's 5, 6, 7. They can zoom in or zoom out to see more or less detail of these hops, and also list all the hops down there as well. So those are 2 ways that you can run a trace route, and the reason you might do it is to show your students where in the world their web traffic is going to and coming from. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my newsletter, which is linked up in the description down below.